Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss a limits problem. So first question here, if a equal to minimum of x square plus 4x plus 5, x belongs to R, and b equal to limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 theta by theta square, then the value of summation r equal to 0 to n a power r into b power n minus r equal to. Here this question is a combination of two questions, which is one is from quadratic equations concept, another one is limits concept. So the questions which are asking in the competitive examinations, especially JEE Mains, MSET and BITSET, these type of competitive exams, they are asking the questions with mixing of two concepts, two chapters, like quadratic expressions and limits, like trigonometry and limits. Like this way they are asking. That means they are giving some twists. So we will do the question. In this, a equal to minimum of, we know that the minimum value of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So here a equal to here x square plus 4x plus 5, that is minimum of, this is minimum of this value. We have here minimum value of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. This is the formula we have. So from here you can find the values of a, b, c. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. Substitute in the formula, a is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. So which is equal to 4 into a value 1, c value 5 minus b square, that means 4 square by 4 into 1, which is equal to 20 minus 16 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Therefore the value of a is equal to 1. We got it, a value 1. Next, second b value they are asking. B is equal to limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 theta by theta square. So b is equal to limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by theta square, which is equal to, we know that formula, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square is equal to a square by 2. This is the formula we have. So by using this formula, this limit can be written as a value is what here 2, no? So 2 square by 2 simply. So which is equal to 2. Therefore the value of b is 2. After getting the value of a and b, a value 1, b value 2. So they are asking to calculate. Now consider summation or sigma r is equal to 0 to n a power r into b power n minus r is equal to, so r is equal to 0, substitute there, a power 0 b power n plus a power 1 b power n minus 1 a power 2 b power n minus 2 plus and so on. b power n, sorry, a power n, a power n, b power 0 will come at last. Why? Because r is equal to n last. So this is equal to anything power 0 is 1 into b power n plus a b power n minus 1 a square b power n minus 2 plus and so on. A power n into b power naught is b power 0 is 1. So simply we can write it as b power n plus a into b power n minus 1 plus a square into b power n minus 2 plus and so on a power n. In every term b power n combination is there now. So b power n I am taking common. So which is equal to b power n 1. If you take out common b power n here, the rest of the terms a into b power n minus 1 means b power n by b power b into b power n. So ultimately a by b will come. So just a simplification. After that again I will wrap it. So here a into b power n minus 1 by b power n, no, it will come. So this is also, if you simplify, a into b power n minus 1 means b power n into b power minus 1 by b power n. This will be cancelled. A into b power minus 1 means 1 by b. So that is the reason directly I wrote. I hope everyone understand. So plus, similarly you will get a square by b square plus a cube by b cube plus and so on a power n by b power n. So sum to n terms in the GP it is. So b power n, b power n 1 plus 1 by a by b plus 1 by a by b whole square 1 by a by b whole power 3 plus and so on a by b whole power n. So when n terms are there, n plus 1 total, it can be written as 1 minus sum to n terms in the GP is a into 1 minus r power n by r 1 minus r. But here common ratio is r is equal to a by b, r is equal to a by b, and n plus 1 terms are there total. So we can write it as 1 minus a by b whole power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus r means again a by b. So here a value is 1, the first term. So which is equal to b power n into, if you simplify this, a by b values, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, no? So substitute there, you will get 2 power n 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? So 2 power n into 1 minus 1 by 2 power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So denominator of denominator numerator. So it will become 2 power n plus 1. Here 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 1. So 2 power n plus 1, 2 power n plus 1 get cancelled. We will get 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. So therefore sigma or summation r is equal to 0 to n a power r b power n minus r is equal to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1, which is there in the, so here I did not give an options, so I'm writing here these are the options which are available for us. 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 power n. And the second option is 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. Third option is 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. And fourth option is 2 power n minus 1. So among the options we have that second option is the right option, 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. That's what we got it. Slowly once again I'll relieve. So here we applied sum to n terms in GP, a into 1 minus r power n by n 1 minus r. This is the common ratio. This is the first term. Thank you.